Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, myself Chirag. In this video, I am going to discuss about iterative method, the topic of name resolver in domain name system. This topic is explained with animation. So let's start with iterative method. Let us take one example to understand the iterative method. There is one user is currently accessing the website amazon.in. It means user is connected with the web server amazon.in. So after some time, user want to access another website eduresources1.com, but user cannot access that website directly. If the client does not ask for a recursive answer, the mapping can be done iteratively. So client send a request to the currently accessing web server. So here currently accessing web server is the amazon.in. So here amazon.in web server cannot evaluate the query. So amazon.in web server provide the IP address of the upper level authority to the client or user. So user pass this query to the upper level authority. Here upper level authority is the top level domain .in. So again top level domain .in cannot evaluate that query and provide the upper level authority IP address to the client. So now client send a query to the root node. So root node check the URL and find the top level domain. Here top level domain is .com. So root server provide the IP address of the top level domain .com. So root server provide the IP address of the top level domain .com to the user. So now user has the IP address of the top level domain. So user pass this query to the top level domain .com. So here top level domain.com check the second level domain. So here second level domain is eduresources1. So top level domain provide the IP address of that web server, or we can say second level domain, to the user. So now user send a request to that IP address eduresources1.com. So that web server provide the requested file to the user and user can access the website eduresources1.com. So this is called the iterative method. So what I have discussed over here is written in this slide. You can read from this slide. So if you have any query regarding iterative method, you can ask me in comment section. If you like this video, please hit the like button and share with others. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe me on YouTube Chirag Balodia. Follow my blog Edu Resources. Follow me on Instagram and on FB. All the video materials are available on my blog Edu Resources. All the links are given in description. Thank you for watching this video.